Hello, magandang araw. Ngayon naman, sasama ko kayo dito sa may Fitzgerald Falls. Located to sa may New South Wales. This is one of the most spectacular waterfalls in Australia. In the Fitzroy Falls, it is under the beautiful Morton National Park. And dito rin yung mga untouched valleys which is 81 meters below. Sobrang breathtaking ng lugar na to so that you can go ahead and enjoy the view and mga lookouts. Meron din silang mga forest trails na may mga wildflowers and marami kayong makikita na rare native birds and wildlife. Explore the surrounding wilderness of Morton National Park. Award-winning din to kasi marami rin silang ino-offer tulad ng meron silang cafe sa loob, may souvenir shop kung saan marami kayong makikita ng mga animals sa loob. And marami rin kayong matututunan about the information about wildfire and bird watching while you're in the park. So I hope you did enjoy this video. Maraming salamat sa pagsama. Until next video, bye-bye!